DIY natural blood purifier recipe that works. Welcome to our latest video where we dive into an easy DIY natural blood purifier recipe that truly works. First, let's gather our ingredients: fresh beets, turmeric root, lemon, and honey. Each has detoxifying properties. Start by washing the beets thoroughly. Beets are high in iron and vitamins, essential for purifying blood. Next, peel and slice the turmeric root. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are great for cleansing the system and enhancing liver function. Mix all these ingredients in a blender. Add a teaspoon of honey for taste and additional benefits. Blend until smooth. This mixture harnesses the natural potency of its components to cleanse your blood. Strain the blend if preferred, and enjoy your homemade blood purifier first thing in the morning. Drink this daily. Consistency is key in natural therapies for noticing significant health improvements. Remember, this is just one part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Balanced diet and regular exercise are crucial. For more health tips and DIY recipes, subscribe to our channel. We aim to empower you with healthful content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it useful. Your support helps us grow and continue providing great content. Reach out to us through the comments or visit our website for more information and personalized advice. Happy detoxing! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more health tips.